Hi, it's Soto Creative Corner, and I'm going to show you how to make one of these bunnies. Right now, I'm making these little nesting bowls to put them in. So, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make the bunny. And this bunny can also be turned into a penguin. Or a bear. And if you take two balls that you make, later on I can show you how to make a duck. But today we're just going to go ahead and make this bunny. And the nice thing about making this bunny, you can pre-assemble the pieces, and then when you're ready you can go ahead and put it together. That's what I've done here. We're going to make a pink bunny, but I also have a brown bunny in here that I'll make at another time. And then on here I have parts to make another penguin. So the body type, if you want to thin or fat or tall or short critter, it depends on how you put the body together. See how this one's very stout, so it'll look like that when it's done. And then we have a little taller one. And on this one, the brown bunny that I'm making, I'm just debating whether or not I want, oops, flappy ears, or if I want shorter ears. So but what I'm going to do for you today is this, the pink bunny we're going to do, the small bunny. So I already have the pieces pre-prepared, and all I have to do is assemble it. These are the feet, little tail, the ears, head and the body. And what I like to do is I like to make the arms, the limbs, in a tubular, and then what you can use, you can have it for a tail if you wanted to make a tail, but I make these little pre-tubular wool pieces so that I could use it for whatever I want, you know. It could be a tail, it could be the arms, it could be, this one almost looks like a little worm. But I'm just playing around, so that's a lot of fun to make. I'm going to go ahead and attach the ears now, and then the feet. When I put the feet on, I go ahead and smash the balls just a little bit before putting them on. So I just put one little smash there, and another smash there. then I will attach them. So I'm attaching one ear. Attaching the other ear. No, we'll go ahead and attach the arms. I make it in this long tubular, and then what I do is I just measure it up to the body, and then I'll give it a little cut. So now we'll go ahead and attach the arms, like that. And then we'll also go ahead and attach the feet. So I got the arms on, and as you can see, this arm is a little bigger than this arm, but that's okay, because once I get it on there and I start stabbing at it and forming it, it'll start becoming more compact, and it'll go ahead and I can adjust it to size. So now we'll go ahead and add the feet, and then add a little bit more fur for the body, and we'll see what it looks like. So I have the little feet on, and this is actually the basis of it. You just have to keep shaping it. And we would take some of this fur here and start adding it to the body. And then I have some fur in wool and white and black to make the face. And that's the basics of making it. Also, when I'm making ears or wings or whatever it is, I'll go ahead and make the sheet of wool for it, so I can make an ear, or I'll flatten it out like this to make the wing. So that's pretty much how I make these little bunnies. It's pretty easy. So if you want to try it, you start doing it, you'll start coming up with ideas of what you want to make on your own. But I hope this helps you out. And until then, have yourself a wonderful day. And thanks for coming by and watching my videos. Take care. God bless. Bye for now.